In this presentation, I am going to explain production possibility frontier. Now, if someone asks you what is the definition of production possibility frontier, it stands for the maximum production in an economy, production of combination of products, okay, maximum production, combination of products using full resources at highest efficiency. So the production possible frontier represents all these four characteristics. Now PPF, which we call it in short form, when you plot on the graph looks like this. Okay, so the y-axis is for the computer, this is y-axis, and x-axis is for the cars, this is x-axis, and origin is O. Now, for the sake of explanation, I will mark some points on this PPF curve. Let us say this I will mark as A, this I will mark as B, this I will mark as C, this I will mark as D, and this I will mark as E. So, all points A, B, C, D, E, all points represent combinations. What you see in the graph, all points represent combination. And these combinations represent the maximum production putting both cars and computers together. Combination of car and computer. And it also represents maximum production of both. It also represents full utilization of resources, absolutely no underemployment, no unemployment of whatever the resources available in the economy, and it stands for the highest efficiency. Only thing not written here is that technology of production is assumed to be constant. Okay, only thing that is not written here. Now, let us talk about the point A. Now, point A stands for 0 cars and computer maximum. This is the combination. Say point E stands for car maximum, okay, and computer 0. All the points in between B, C, D is some combinations, different combinations, some different combinations of both car and computers. So each combination represents full efficiency, full employment of resources, maximum production, and absolutely no underutilization of resources. So therefore, any point within this curve, let us say point P here. The point P is actually underutilization of resources. It stands for also what we call maybe less efficiency in production. If you talk about a point Q, which is outside this curve, then Q is impossible, cannot be produced using existing resources, cannot be produced using existing resources. Therefore, Q is impossible and P is inefficient. So only A, B, C, D, E are the efficient points on the graph. Now, if you relax for a moment that constancy of technology, let us say technology changes in the core way, the productivity of the people and the resources increases, then there will be a rightward shift in the production possibility curve. Now, this rightward shift will be uniformly right if the technology changes and impacts the productivity of both computer and car in the same fashion. Suppose it is not same fashion. Suppose the computer technology alone changes and car technology remains unchanged. Then the shift will be more on the car computer side and the shift will be less on the car side. So there will be a shift because of change in technology. Okay. Now shift is uniform towards the right if technology impacts both car and computers in the same extent. Shift will be only more towards computer and less towards car. Then the shift will be if technology impacts more of computer. That is all about change in technology and its impact on the production possibility frontier and how it shifts rightwards.